National Hispanic Heritage Month. Meaning National Hispanic Heritage Month is a month-long observance in the U.S. in celebration of the cultures, contributions, and lives of people with Hispanic and Latin American heritage. This encompasses a diverse group of identities, including people with a heritage rooted in Central and South America, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Spain. It can involve those who identify as Hispanic, Latino or Latinx, and in other, more specific ways, such as Mexican American. The word Hispanic is typically used to describe people with a heritage rooted in Spanish-speaking Latin America. The word Latino typically refers to people of Latin American origin or descent. The word Latinx is used as a gender-neutral alternative to Latino, but it's important to remember that not everyone with this heritage prefers to use this term. The month is often observed with festivals and events showcasing the cultures of the people it celebrates. When is National Hispanic Heritage Month? National Hispanic Heritage Month takes place every year from September 15th to October 15th.